$150 in about 5 minutes, and I'm about to teach you exactly how to do this. And this is no clickbait. I'm about to teach you exactly how to do what I just did using this method. This is very, very simple. If you're in the US and you have a car, this is going to be very, very helpful to you guys if you're just trying to earn $150 just really, really quickly. And I also have some more ways that you can earn some money online using apps, but this, you need to listen to this really, really quickly, and you definitely want to stay to the end of this video, and you want to make sure that you like and subscribe, because this is going to be very, very helpful to you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We're using Swagbucks now. Swagbucks, if you haven't signed up for Swagbucks, I'll leave a link in the description below. You get a bonus when you sign up through that link, and also just earn another $100 Swagbucks. You can actually sign up for the extension and put this on your Google Chrome and actually earn another 100 Swagbucks. So that's really, really simple. I'll leave that link in the description below. Those are two different links. But anyway, Swagbucks, so many reviews on Swagbucks. I'm sure you have heard about it. I'm sure you've heard people that use it. It's a real way to get paid. They have paid over $1 million to people, so it's a really legit company. Right now, they have an offer in there that's really, really easy to do. Now, they have a lot more offers in here. They can get you to 2,500, which is, if that's still a lot. 2,500 Swagbucks can get you a $25 PayPal payout. So right here, you can get a $25 payout right here, just by using Swagbucks. Like I said, I have a link in the description below that can, if you already signed up for Swagbucks through me, you definitely, if you're in the US and you have a car, you definitely want to use this. But for the people who don't have, they're not in the USA and don't have a car and just needs to earn some quick money, you can actually come in here to the home screen, and they have a whole bunch of offers that you can just simply enter in your email. These one that has 25 Swagbucks right here, and you just basically confirm your email on all of these, and they have 128. This one right here, you just linking a card. This is called Dave. It's an app that gives money between paychecks, and you just, if you have a Chime or Simple card, you can just connect your bank account to there and earn 500 Swagbucks right there. And the only thing you would need to do is earn 2,000 more Swagbucks in order to get a PayPal payout. So that's really simple. You can do this right here. You can do LifeLock, a 30-day free trial of LifeLock. You just want to keep it. They say you want to keep it 45 days. So let's say, I'll give you an example. Let's say you just have LifeLock on the $9.99 plan, and just keep it just for 40 days. And then after 40 days, you can cancel it. That's 4,200 Swagbucks. That's enough to get you your first $25 PayPal payout. It's really, really simple. If you want to order food, if you're ordering food anyway, you're using apps, or you're using Postmate, you can sign up for a new account and actually make your first purchase through here. You just come in here, you click on it, and Swagbucks actually has a app as well, so you can use that app, and you just come in here, click through here, and earn $2,000 of Swagbucks on your first order. So it's ways you can get to 2,500. But for the people who want to make $150 in 3 minutes, you can do this using DoorDash. DoorDash is a delivery service. I'm actually on DoorDash, and I'm actually going to prove it to you guys right here. And it's easy to do a delivery. So this is what you're going to do. You just basically sign up, you get activated, you get your red bag. Your red bag is going to be delivered within 7 days. And basically, once you complete your first delivery, let me get out of this. Once you complete your first delivery, you're going to get $150 or 15,000 Swagbucks for doing that, just for completing your first delivery. So like I said, for people in the US who have a car, who know how to drive, it's really, really simple, easy. You can actually do this on your bike. And once you complete this, once you complete your first delivery is your easiest delivery. I've done this countless amount of time. It's just really simple to do. Once you complete your first delivery, you're going to earn $150. They're going to send you, they're going to get you activated within 1 to 2 business days. If you have a DoorDash, if you have a DoorDash center near you, you can actually go and actually pick it up. If you live in one of the big cities, I don't live in a big city, so I wasn't able to do that. I had to wait till I got the actual bag in the cart. Once you get activated, make your first delivery, 15,000 Swagbucks, which is $150 in minutes. And all you did was basically sign up. After you deliver that first food delivery, you don't have to do it no more. You basically taking the food to them, you handing it to them. They give you a rating. If you're not going to use DoorDash is like a good income stream if you just want to keep it. But if you don't want to use DoorDash after you get the first delivery and after you get your 15,000 Swagbucks, you don't have to. This is so simple to do for the people in the US, like I said, who have a car. This is really simple to do. I did it. My first delivery, well, my last couple of deliveries have been literally down the street. I picked up the food, was handing it to them down the street, really easy. So here are some more offers. If you don't have, if you're in the U.S. and you want a aspiration card, which is actually free. They don't do any credit checks, none of that stuff. It's actually a high yield ATM account. You can actually do that and get 2,000 Swagbucks. But let me just actually prove to you that I actually did do this DoorDash. So let me connect to my phone really quickly. You guys want to stay tuned into the, like I said, to the end of this video, because I'm actually teaching this to you guys straight up. So if I go over here and I go to my ratings, you can see that I've did 35 deliveries so far with this, and has a 4.5, based on my last 100 deliveries. So I've actually did DoorDash. You can actually do this, and there are so many other ways you can earn Swagbucks up in here just by entering your email. You can do this as well. Go out there, sign up for Swagbucks. The link will be in the description below, and go out and do this. That's $150, and all you're doing is signing up, and it takes about 5 minutes. You can do this too if you put your mind to it and you put in the work. This is really simple. Even if you can't do the DoorDash, you can also do other offers in here, like basically just signing up, entering your email address, and basically getting $40 in Swagbucks for each of these. You can do that as well. It's really simple to do this, guys. You can see I have 1,379 Swagbucks in here right now. I'm about to be at a $25 payout anytime by now. So this is really simple for you guys to do. Go ahead, start earning money with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.